Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I am at Club Mahindra, Assonora, Goa. You already know that Club Mahindra has got three properties that's in South Goa, namely Emerald Palms, Acacia Palms, and one at Varka Beach. All these three are in South Goa. I've already made a video comparing all these three properties. If you haven't checked the video, check the link out. It's given above. Now, in addition to these three properties, they have added a new one that's in extreme north of Goa. It's called Assonora, Goa. And just to give you a perspective, when you think of North Goa, you'll talk about Baga Beach, Kalangute, Chapura Fort, Anjuna Beach, and so on and so forth. This property is about 25 to 26 kilometers from all of these places, so that could be one drawback if you really want to visit all these places quite frequently. But if not, and you want to have a very peaceful vacation, you want to just have a a relaxing outing, then definitely this is one of the best stays that you would be interested in. Let me showcase and walk you through this property. My screen, and that's the view that you get as you move towards the lobby. Okay, so after giving you the property tour, now I'm entering my room, and this is the bathroom on the left hand side, and that's the room. This is the studio apartment that I've taken. That's the tea kit and oven and all those basic amenities. You've got a small refrigerator there. But the highlight of this room, we'll come to that in a while, but first of all, that's the size of the bed. Once again, you can gauge how big the family is, and of course you can accommodate. The most interesting part is you've got this sofa cum bed. Actually, you can pull that thing ahead, and if you've got kids which are younger than 10 years old, then they can definitely get accommodated without any discomfort to you or your partner. That's the study table. If you're working while you're travel, you can do that. But that's the view that I've got with this room. This is, as they say, this is the so-called valley view that I've got. Let me show you through this balcony. I hope you can hear the birds chirping behind. It's serene, it's peaceful, and it's still Goa. So yeah, as I said some time back, if you are looking for an outing with your family, or you're all alone but you want a peaceful kind of a vacation in a place like Goa, not super crowded, without the noise that you get to see in north of Goa. This is further up north, and the place is called Assonora. And here I am signing off from Club Mahindra Assonora. If you like this video, please like and subscribe this channel. If you plan to visit Goa or your friends plan to visit this property, do share this video with them. Have a great day ahead. Bye bye.